All right, time for quicker training. Go today, and you'll see that she's figured it out. Okay. Okay. No. Hey, it's a bigger piece. There you are. Now watch this. She'll follow me everywhere. Oh yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you like that? Come here. Let me come here. Of course, Wembley's all jealous now. He's on my shoulders like, can you try this here, Carolyn? All right, go, Carolyn. She gets double duty here. Come on, try it. Okay. Let's try that over here again. Considering that she was scared of the stick yesterday, it's a pretty good improvement. Good girl. Good girl. Okay? Come here. Good girl. Okay, there we are. That's just to show Goebel's progress.